Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Venmo business profile. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Download the official Venmo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you are using a phone. If you are using a computer, open your browser and go to the official Venmo website. Open Venmo and confirm you are on the real app or the real website to avoid phishing pages. Tap or click Login to start the sign-in process. Enter the email address or mobile number that is connected to your Venmo account. Type your Venmo password carefully and double-check for spelling mistakes. Tap or click the Login button to submit your details. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. If Venmo asks for verification, choose the option to receive a code by text or email. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it and continue. If you are prompted to trust the device, only approve it on your personal device. Once you are logged in, go to your profile icon or the Me tab in the app. Look for the business section where your business profile is listed. Tap your business profile name to open it. If you have both personal and business profiles, use the switch option to select the business view. Confirm you can see business details such as your business name, photo, and business transactions. If you do not see the business profile, update the Venmo app to the latest version and try again. Check that you are logged into the correct account if you manage multiple emails or phone numbers. For extra security, enable a passcode lock or biometric login in Venmo settings, if available. Avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi networks, or use a trusted connection when possible. Never share your password or verification code with anyone, even if they claim to be support. If your login fails, re-enter your credentials slowly and ensure caps lock is not on. If you still cannot log in, use the Help or Contact Support option inside the app or website. When support asks for information, provide only what is necessary and never share full sensitive details. After you access the business profile, review notifications to confirm there are no unusual login alerts. If you notice suspicious activity, change your password immediately and sign out of other devices. Finally, keep your email and phone number updated so you can always recover your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.